Hello everyone. Today we will explore serious traffic accidents caused by reckless drivers. These include ignoring traffic signs or losing control of trucks, resulting in catastrophic crashes. This video will show you the hidden dangers of traffic. Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt, and let's discover the best ways to drive safely. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to not miss our upcoming videos. On the deserted road, a dangerous situation occurred when a cow fell off a car and rolled onto the road. It veered into the opposite lane, leaving the driver no time to react. Everything happened so fast, and in an instant, the car crashed directly into the cow. Dust and smoke filled the air, and the loud crash sounded like an explosion, leaving onlookers in disbelief. Panic spread quickly, as all the vehicles had to stop suddenly, afraid of the next potential accident. The whole road turned into a chaotic scene.
Samochód zjechał. O Boże!
Doing bad. If you get behind that wheel, boy, don't smack. Because it didn't stop them.
The dash cam recorded a dangerous situation where the truck, carrying several long steel rods, suddenly tilted while passing a bend. The steel rods fell onto the road, creating a hazardous obstacle for vehicles behind. Fortunately, no major accidents occurred, but the incident caused significant traffic disruption. This serves as a reminder about the importance of safely transporting heavy and long cargo, ensuring that all safety regulations are followed. It's also a warning for drivers to pay attention to the load and distribution of cargo while driving.
Jesus, I mean, what's the point?
Oh! Fuck! Holy shit!
Start recording emergency video.
Security cameras recorded a terrifying situation on the highway when a red car suddenly lost its brakes and sped away at extremely fast speed. Unable to control the situation, the red car crashed like an arrow into many other vehicles moving ahead. The strong impact caused a series of cars to be hit. Many cars were thrown out of the lane, some overturned, creating a chaotic scene among the crowded traffic. This situation is a serious reminder of the importance of careful vehicle maintenance and safety before traveling, especially on highways. Loss of braking while traveling at high speed is one of the biggest risks, which can lead to catastrophic consequences not only for the driver himself, but also for other people participating in traffic. At an intersection, two cars moving at high speed suddenly collided strongly with each other. The collision happened extremely quickly, and because neither car had time to brake, the force of the impact caused both cars to be thrown up, overturned, and thrown to the side of the road. Debris from the two cars was scattered everywhere. The front of both vehicles were severely damaged, the windows were broken, and the car body was seriously deformed. This incident highlights the importance of driving carefully, especially when passing through intersections. A moment of distraction or complacency can lead to dire consequences. Always adhere to a safe speed and pay attention when traveling, especially when approaching intersections. If this video helps you realize the importance of safe driving, do not hesitate to share to raise community awareness about traffic safety.
Орудие преступлений. Это знаем. И, значит, когда
I can't tell you that, Professor, said Harry. He had expected the question and had his answer ready. In this
that every player will work on strategies for dismissing them, trying to produce.
What the?
Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you found the video interesting, don't forget to hit like and share. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with new videos. We look forward to your interaction in the comments section. Thanks again.